Scrolling through a long document in Word to find a chapter is painful. In this video, I'll show you how to create chapters that automatically start on new pages and appear in a clickable index so you can jump anywhere in your document instantly. In my example, I've got a front cover, a table of contents, and 3 chapters. And you'll notice that the chapters are represented on the navigation pane. To do this, we have to make some changes using styles. And we need to make some changes to heading 1. An example of this is that I wanted every chapter to start at the top of a new page, and I didn't want to do this manually. I wanted to click a button and for that to take place. As you can see, I'm at the bottom of chapter 3, and I'm ready to start chapter 4. So, instead of pressing enter to start a new page, going to the center at the top of a page and typing chapter 4, I don't need to. I've made some changes for this to be more automatic. I'm going to click on heading 1 at the top, and as you can see, it's created a new page and it's centered it. Now, all I have to do is type in chapter 4 and I'm ready to start writing. You'll notice that it's even updated it in the navigation pane. All I've got to do is go to my table of contents and click update table, and then click update entire table, and you'll notice that chapter 4 has now been added. So how do I do this? Well, keep watching to find out. In my example, I've got a front cover and a table of contents, and I'm ready to start writing, so I need chapter 1. Now I could write chapter 1, but I'm going to make it more automatic. First, go to Home and select Styles, and then you're going to right click heading 1 and then select Modify. We're first going to change the font. Now for me, I use Times New Roman, and I made the font about 36 or 48. That's entirely up to you. I'm now going to click in the middle because I want it to be centered. You can change the color to whatever color you would like, and I'm going to click bold. As you can see, the preview shows that it's in the center, it's bold. Very easy. First, we need to go to Format and then Paragraph. This is really important. Page break before. This means whenever I click heading 1, it creates a new page, and that's exactly what we want. So I'm going to select this, and then I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to click OK. So I'm going to click heading, and as you can see, it's positioned the cursor in the middle of the top page, and I'm ready to write chapter 1. And then if I press enter, I can begin to write. Okay, and let's say I'm now ready to start chapter 2. I simply click heading 1, and then I type in chapter 2. The navigation pane will automatically update itself. However, the table of contents won't. We need to make sure that we update it throughout our editing. Click it once, click update table, and automatically we've got chapter 1 and chapter 2. And if I hold down Ctrl, I can move to my chapter. And if I use the navigation pane, I can also move to the next chapter. In a matter of seconds, we turn headings into dynamic, automatic chapters that start at the top of a new page each time. If you found the tutorial useful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to explore more on how we can customize our Word documents through chapters and section breaks, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.